Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice radical problem, and here we have x minus 2 square root plus x minus 3 square root is equal to 1, and we will solve this problem for the value of x. So the very first thing we are going to do is here we will rewrite this equation as x minus 2 square root plus, here I can write this x minus 3 as x minus 2 and minus 1 square root is equals to 1. And after that I will write this expression in simplified form, so that here I will take y is equal to x minus 2. So when we substitute this x minus 2 by y, so that this expression will become square root of y plus y minus 1 square root is equals to 1. And after that I will apply here the squaring on both of the sides. So when we take square on both of the sides, so this expression will become in this form, so that here I can apply the famous square root identity. And you know about this identity, and if we have a plus b whole square, so that the square is equals to a square and plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So now I can apply here this square identity, and this is the value of a and this is the value of b. So now we can apply here this square identity, and we will get here y square root of y square plus 2 times of square root of y into square root of y minus 1 plus y minus 1 square root and whole square is equals to 1. After that these squares are gone, and finally we get here y plus y minus 1, and we will combine these two square roots, and we will write it as y times of y minus 1 and its whole square root is equals to 1. After that we will make some simplification. Here we have y plus y, it will becomes 2y. We move this minus 1 to the right hand side, and here we have plus 2 times of y into y minus 1 square root is equals to 1. Here you have minus 1, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And now we can divide each term by 2 on both of the sides, so that these two are gone. And here we get y plus y times of y minus 1 square root is equals to 1. And now we move this y to the right hand side, so that this expression will becomes y times of y minus 1 square root is equal to 1 minus y. So now we can again take square on both of the sides in order to eliminate this square root, so that I will again take the square on both of the sides. So this 2 and square are gone, and here we get y times of y minus 1 is equals to, we can open this square, open this whole square, and we will get here 1 square plus y square minus 2 times of y, so that we will multiply this y on both of the terms, and we will get here y square minus y is equal to 1 plus y square minus 2y. So here you have y square on both of the sides, so this y square is gone, and we will move this minus y or we will move this 1 and minus 2y both of the terms in the left hand side, so that it will become, when we take this minus 2y here, and it will become plus 2y, and this is minus 2y and minus 1 is equals to 0. So finally we get here 2y minus y is equals to y, and we take y minus 1 to the right hand side, so that we will get here y is equals to 1. So in the start of the question we will take this y is equal to, so we back substitute the value of y, and it will become x minus 2 is equals to 1. And now we move this minus 2 to the right hand side, and it will become x is equal to 1 plus 2. And finally we get here x is equals to 3. So this is the our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.